Can you recognize it? What animal is this? It's an elephant. Listen carefully. What animal is this? It's a dog. This one is fun. Who makes this sound? It's a chicks. Can you guess this sound? Who makes this noise? It's a cat. Easy one. What animal is this? It's a cow. Do you know this sound? Who is it? It's a horse. Let's go. Guess the sound. It's a rooster. Let's start simple. Guess the animal. It's a sheep. This one is fun. Who makes this sound? It's a panda. Pay attention. Who makes this sound? It's a monkey. Try this. Guess the animal sound. It's a chicken. Ready? What animal is this? It's a goat. Listen closely. What animal do you hear? It's a duck. Almost there. What animal do you hear? It's a rhino. Very tricky. Guess the animal. It's a shark. Don't guess too fast. What animal is this? It's a turtle. Don't miss this. Who makes this sound? It's a frog. Tricky one. Guess the animal. It's a crocodile. Think fast. What animal do you hear? It's a wolf. Focus. What animal is this? It's a giraffe. A wild one. Guess the animal. It's a bear. Getting tricky. Guess the sound. It's a zebra. Listen again. Who is it? It's a hippo. Listen. What animal is this? It's a fish. Pay attention. Who roars like this? It's a tiger. Don't blink. What animal is this? It's a penguin. Think again. Guess the sound. It's a peacock. Stay focused. Guess the sound. It's a kangaroo. Think fast. What animal is this? It's a squirrel. Ready? What animal is this? It's a hedgehog. Last few. Guess the animal. It's a lobster. Final question. Who makes this sound? It's a bat. Focus. Who is it? It's a parrot. Can you hear it? What animal is this? It's a snake. Stay with me. What animal is this? It's an octopus. Stay with me. What animal is this? It's an starfish. Don't give up. What animal is this? It's a crab. Ready? Guess the animal. It's a camel. Do you know it? Who is this? It's a fox. Listen carefully. What animal is this? It's a deer. Think fast. What animal is this? It's a koala. Ready? What animal is this? It's a ladybug. Think fast. What animal is this? It's a butterfly. This one is fun. Who makes this sound? It's a bee. Stay focused. Guess the animal. It's a spider. Super easy. Who is making this sound? It's a pig. Which animal was your favorite? Watch again to pick one.